Hello people, how are you? So you remember that we used Google Sheets to graph our data. So I've got a bunch of data here and I've showed you something like this before. So I have something about um, the E-level students are in region, gender, age, multiple, multiple sets of data here. So let me look at something. For example, bag weight. How do you graph something about bag weight? So what you must ensure is that you select whatever data that you'd like to be graphed. And after this, when you've selected your data, you will have another variable most likely on the left hand side. Say this could be bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, whatever. So in this case, what I'd like to see is most likely a bar graph. And to do a bar graph, you can click on this insert chart function, or you can go the long way, insert chart as well. But hey, here's a shortcut. So insert chart, um, and it will create a graph. Oh, there it is. So you can see this creates a bar graph, and you would remember from term 1, early term 1, that we can label our graphs. Just explore the settings here under the setup, or click on customize. You can change the chart style, you can make it look 3D, you can give it an axis, a title, series of legend, lots of lovely stuff, change colors, but you'll have a display of your data um, using bar graphs. So this is one way you can graph data. And if you have trouble doing this, what you could do, for instance, if I have a spreadsheet which is totally blank or filled with data as such, and this could be bag number 1, 2 onwards, similar to like if you're doing sleep time and over the number of days, and you can select the whole thing. You can select the whole thing like this. Just borders around it. So there we go. So this is a sample of random sample of bag weights, 16 bag weights, and you can go do the same thing. Click on chart, and although it gives you a time series function because it's thinking this is based over time, remember you can always select the chart type you need from here. You can click on column, which pretty much means a bar graph in this case. So that'll solve your issue of how to graph. You can even do pie charts depending on the type of data you have. So look, there's lots of options, and I'll post maybe 1 or 2 more videos in this post to help you graph your data. Okay, over and out. Let's close this.